I hope all of you are enjoying your life. My dear friend, in this video, I am going to brief about a very important digital teaching tool, that is online whiteboard. Dear friends, in our conventional classrooms, we have seen whiteboards and which plays a very important role for a teaching learning process to transfer a knowledge from one end to another end. My dear friends, online whiteboard plays a very important role when it comes to digital teaching, and it provides the learning space where a teacher and a student can write something and discuss on a real-time basis through internet. My dear friends, there are a lot of online whiteboard application softwares are available for PCs as well as for mobile. There are a lot of, if you Google it, there are a lot of application softwares for online whiteboard for PCs and mobiles are available. Few I can name it, which are the frequently used online whiteboard softwares. They can be like a web whiteboard. There is a second one is whiteboard.fi. Third one is Jitboard. Fourth one is like explain everything, and many more are available. In this video, I will brief you about the whiteboard.fi online software available, which you can use as a online whiteboard. So now, without wasting time, I am directly start sharing my screen and will directly go to that software so that you can understand how to use that particular software for the online and digital teaching. So now, without wasting time, I am sharing my screen. We are supposed to go to Google, and here I am supposed to write whiteboard.fi. Sorry. Now, once you click it, it will ask you for new class, whether you are a teacher or you want to join the class. So, since I am a teacher, so I am going to this new class. It will ask your name. So, I am typing my name. It will ask for the setting. So, you can click all these and create new class. Now, once you create new class, this is the link for your class. And if you want to invite in this class to your student, you are supposed to share this particular link with your student. Now, I'm going to my whiteboard. So this is your board. Here you can see at the top, lot of icons are available. This is for pen. Like if you want to choose a pen, you are supposed to choose from here. This is eraser. If you want to write some text, you are supposed to select it. This is for lines and arrows. If you want to make some arrows, you can make line or arrows. You can use this. If you want to draw triangle, or if you want to draw rectangle or circle, different kind of shapes. If you want to insert image, you are supposed to click here and you can choose the image and you can open it. So that image will be inserted here. If you want to insert a background image, you can go here, you can choose the image which you want to make it as a background, and you can select it and open it. Here you can see fill. Like right now the white color is coming. If you want to change the, if you want to fill, like suppose if I am, before going into detail, let's start with one by one. I'm supposed to click on pencil. Now suppose I want to write something. Just to show the thing, I'm writing my name. You can see it is coming with a color that I have chosen here. So like if I want this as a black, I'm supposed to choose black. Now you can see that whatever I am writing, that is now in black color. Similarly, if I want to erase, just choose erase. And suppose I want to erase this particular thing, you can erase it. Suppose if you want to insert particular image, we can, like suppose I want to insert triangle, I have inserted it, And if I want to change the color, I want this triangle with yellow color, then we are supposed to first select color. Then if I draw the triangle, it will be now in yellow color. Similarly, if you want to insert any image, suppose I want to insert this image, I've selected that image, you have already inserted the image. You can reduce its size, increase also as well as reduce also. If you want to clear your whiteboard, then clear whiteboard. That will erase the complete whiteboard. Now here you can see actions like push whiteboard to all students. Like if you want to share this whiteboard to all students, you can share directly from here. Okay. If you want to insert grid, you can see now the grid are appearing on your whiteboard. If you want to insert grid large, that will be on now on your board. If you want to insert equation, you can choose like this. Right now this option is not active, so we are not able to do it. I hope I have explained each and everything related to this. Now I am stop sharing my screen. I hope whatever information I have shared in this video related to whiteboard.py, online whiteboard software, that will be useful for you. And from now onwards, those who are into this of digital teaching or online teaching, or the regular teachers of a university or a schools, they will start using this particular application software for their distance teaching learning process. My dear friends, if you like this video, kindly press the button of like. And in future, if you want such kind of videos, if I prepare in future and you want the notification related to that, then please subscribe my channel.